Welcome to the beginner series of HTML CSS. Today in this video we will study CSS in detail. Let's start. As you can see the designed web page. Much important character in its beautification is of CSS. You can see various color scheme and text in small and big size. So it is all because of CSS. We have read simple tags yet so that is why it does not look beautiful. As we are moving forward, our all contents will get completed. We will make complete web page. Let me show you first important list of CSS which is used frequently and many others also which we will use step by step. Hey, let me tell you that right from here today we will use Sublime instead of Notepad. So I open index file in Sublime to make our working fast. We had used Notepad in the beginning so as to make our base strong. Different color scheme is used in Sublime to beautify it more. It is our working till now. We will apply CSS in it. I add file of style in it. We had made this file when we had studied the types of CSS. I change the color of background. You can give any color of your own choice. So I give light blue. Save it. And you can see that color is light blue now. After the change of background color, now I will change the text color. If you will type anything in editor, that will open drop down list. All these are the styles of CSS. Now we give color. I gave it red color. If you are not understanding, then watch my video in sequence. Now you can see the complete body text color has become red. We don't need yet to turn the complete body text color into red. So I make any one title into red. I gave class to this title. You can give any class. So let me give the class quickly. Now I copy it and paste it in style and give it red color. So let me give the color red. So now you can see that it has turned red. Oops, I have assigned class at wrong place. I had to give class to the title under image. So I need to change its place. I have to place it at the right place. I cut it from here and paste it here. So now it has been applied at the right place. After it, we place it in center. You can see that related CSS is obvious from the complete text in the list. So I make it text align center. You can see different variations in the text. So I have to make it text center. And after save it, refresh, and you can see the text is now in center. Next I write font. So all related to font CSS has been appeared. I gave it font family. The benefit of editor usage is that you don't need to remember the complete code. I make its value Vardhana. Now you can see that it has changed. Now I'll make its font size 20 pixel. You can see that the font size has increased. Now I give class to the paragraph. You can give more than one class at a time. So I add another class also and paste it. So let me write class. You can write any class of your own choice. So let me copy and paste it. I think it's not copied correctly. So I again copy and paste. Just for the sake of another try, paste it. And now I make font weight bold. Font weight bold. So check it after save it. So it's looking little weird. That's why we leave it. I make its line height 10 pixel. It is looking much strange. I make its value 40. Now you can see the distance between them has increased. After it, I make letter spacing 5 pixel. It is looking more than enough. So let's make it 3 pixel. Now it is better. You can adjust it according to you. Now I want to make all the letters upper of heading. For this, we make the text transformation uppercase. Now you can see all the letters seems to be big. We had applied border. It is also in CSS. Now if you want to hide any text for the time, you can do so. Sometimes we need it. For this, we do display none. So you can see now that the text is invisible. At this time we don't need it, so it will be again visible. Now after it, I give class to B tag. We can give it any class. Now I copy it and add it to CSS. Give it margin. There are many options of margins you can see. I give it margin right and make its value 20 pixel. Now you can see that the distance between them has been increased. So it is used for this very purpose. Now I apply border. Border 1 pixel solid red. You can see that border has been applied on it and the distance between both of them also exists. We had given it outer distance there and now we give it the inner distance. For this we will use padding. Now we will make padding right 10 pixel. Now you can see that distance has been increased inside. This is the major difference between padding and margin. It was our video for today in which we applied some important CSS. We have seen its effect. There are also many other styles of CSS which we will see with the passage of time, because in this series the study of table is still remaining. Input forms are also here still to do. We will design CSS also with it. So far all this. Stay tuned so that you may get to know about the upcoming videos. Bye for now.